Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I'm going to reveal to you a simple trick how you can enable the full screen mode for your emails in your Gmail inbox really quickly. So let us get started. Now, did you know that they have a feature called full screen or full screen mode here on Gmail too? For example, if you'd like to use your entire screen or almost the entirety of your screen for your new message. So let me show you how to do that, guys. It is actually super simple. Head over to your inbox on Gmail and click on this compose button in the top left corner to initiate a new message. And usually you will see a window like that here in the bottom right corner. Now, if you'd like to use your entire display, guys, and have a better overview of your message, simply follow my instructions. All you will need to do, guys, here is click in the top right corner of your window, that one here, full screen, to enable the full screen mode. And as you can see, now you have almost, or using almost your entire display for your new message, so that you can start typing in, for example, the recipient's email address here, enter the subject below and the content of your email. And yeah, simply used almost the entirety of your display. If you'd like to switch back to the window mode, simply click on that icon in the top right corner again. And that's it, guys. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.